Hello, I am Siri. Welcome to All iPad channel on YouTube. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Let's get started. First open the settings, then go to Control Center, and customize controls. Then add dark mode to the list above. Go home, and swipe down from the right corner of the iPad. Click on dark mode icon. Now it's dark mode. Click again to go back to day mode. Dark mode. Day mode. Dark mode. Day mode. Dark mode. Day mode. Dark mode. And day mode. It's that easy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and comment below and suggest a video you want me to make. And if you want to watch more videos, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell to be notified when I release the next video. I upload several videos weekly, and it's all about the iPad. Thanks for watching.